Hello class 3, welcome back to your science class. Today we will discuss about chapter number 13, the earth and its neighbors. This chapter, okay? So let's start. The planets. Planets are large bodies which revolves around the sun. There are total 8 planets and earth is one of these 8 planets. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The sky and these 8 planets together make a solar system. And the Earth is the only planet which can support life. And Earth is the third farthest planet from the Sun. All these planets travel around the sun in a fixed path that is called orbit, and these planets don't have their own lights. They get lights from the sun. The earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Okay, now shape of the earth. The earth is round shaped. The shape of the earth is round and it is slightly flat at the poles. There are 2 examples that proves that earth is round. See this example. তোমরা এই এক্সাম্পলটা একটু পড়ে নিও, okay? Now come to the movement of the earth. Earth is basically makes 2 kinds of movement, rotation and revolution. Now the question is, what is rotation? The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation, and one rotation takes about 24 hours. Rotation causes day and nights. See, there is an activity. এই যে অ্যাক্টিভিটিটা এখানে দেখানো আছে, that so day and night are formed. তোমরা এখানটা একটু পড়ে নেবে, okay? And the earth rotates from west to east, okay? Next, revolution. What do you mean by revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. One revolution takes about 365 days, and revolution causes season change. এটা যেই আমাদের যে সিজন চেঞ্জ হয় ওটা রিভলিউশনের জন্য হয়, ওকে? সো earth makes 2 kinds of movement, rotation and revolution. Next, the sun. The sun is round in shape and it is a huge ball of hot gases. Sun looks small to us because it is about 150 million kilometers far away from the earth. The sun gives us light and heat, and the sun's heat is necessary for all of us. Plants make their food using this sunlight, okay? Next, the moon. The moon is also round in shape. It is smaller than the sun and it is also smaller than the earth. Moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from the earth. It moves round the earth. So it is the natural satellite of the earth. It takes 29 days to complete one revolution around the earth. Okay, and there is no air, no water on the moon. So that's why there is no life on the moon. Moon has no lights of its own. It gets lights from the sun. And from the earth we see only those parts of the moon that are lit by the sun. Due to the changes of the position of the earth, the moon appears to change its shapes. মানে আর্থের রিভলিউশন অনুযায়ী, আর্থের ঘোরা অনুযায়ী, আর্থ যেভাবে তার পজিশন চেঞ্জ করে সেই অনুযায়ী আমরা মুনকে দেখতে পাই। মুনও তার শেপটা চেঞ্জ করে। সি দেয়ার ইজ এ ফিগার, এই যে ফিগারটা দিয়ে এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে এখানে সেটা বোঝানো হয়েছে যে কিভাবে মুন তার শেপটা চেঞ্জ করে। তোমরা এখানটা একটু পড়ে নেবে। ওকে, নাও দ্য স্টার্স, উই সি uncountable stars at night. Stars are twinkle like small bulbs, and some stars are very big, even bigger than the sun, and they look small because they are far away from the earth. Some stars appear single while some appears in a group. A group of stars is called constellation. Some famous constellations are Great Bear, Orion, Scorpion, and Leo. See, there is a picture. Picture দিয়ে দেখানো আছে, দেখো, Great Bear, Orion, and Scorpion. Okay. Now, if you look towards the sky, in the northern sky, towards the north in the sky, you will find one shining star, bright star at a fixed place. This star is called Dhruvotara or polar star. And next, Indian astronomers. এখানটা জাস্ট একটু রিডিং পড়বে, এখানটা এত ইম্পর্টেন্ট না। And two famous Indian astronomers are Aryabhatta and Barahmihir. Okay, and Aryabhatta was the first man who tell us that Earth is round and it rotates on its own axis. Okay, তাহলে this chapter is very very important. তোমরা এই চ্যাপ্টার থেকে what is solar system, name 8 planets, the distance of Earth, the distance between the Earth and the Sun, the shape of the Earth, movement of Earth, two kinds of movement, what do you mean by rotation, revolution, এগুলো পড়বে। constellation, name some constellation, এইভাবে পড়বে। and your exercise is mentioned in your worksheet দেখে, মানে এক্সারসাইজ দেখে তোমরা ওয়ার্কশিটটা করবে। so done, see you in the next class, tata.